Rising sign, everybody. It is 4:20 in the morning. I just got woke up by my weather radio. We have a storm coming here, but it's not severe. But I'm gonna let y'all watch it go through again. I know how you like my storm videos, so we're gonna watch. So right now there's this lightning show going on over in the distance. I'm in my tent, so just want to record it for y'all. So let's roll it and see what we get. I know how y'all love my storm videos. My cat's in here with me. But I'm just listening to the thunder roll over there, and I'm thinking it's really cool. This is a good way to start my day. This storm already has a history of 60-mile-an-hour winds and more over by Madison, South Dakota, and one in tail. But now it weakened. I can see the shelf cloud. course they gotta turn their air conditioning on. But it's coming right now, the storm. Finally, they turned it off. Yeah, but just got woke up by my weather radio at like 4. The lightning's not as constant now as it was a little bit when I started the video, but it's still flashing though. Should be raining pretty quick. don't know if I dare do this. I'm gonna go for a little walk so you can see the highway. My cat's gonna be following me probably, so it's okay. My cat's name is Marin. I'm usually not used to being up this early. He's right here, so he's following me. Marin, stay at the house. You don't want to come here. My cat doesn't listen to me very well. She wants to follow me. Why does she gotta follow me? I don't know. She's just weird. So the lightning, we're gonna go over here. Go home. You don't need to be following me. You don't want to get by no lightning, do you, kitty? My cat really wants to. Yeah. Naughty. I don't know why she wants to follow me. Okay. So here's what we're looking at. It's definitely not as impressive. Yeah, where I'm facing the cameras where the storm's at. It's early in the morning, so not very many people, no one's out yet. I don't know why my cat wants to follow me around, but I guess it's something she wants to do. Yeah, it's definitely not as impressive now. Now my cat's laying in the ditch. Ooh, there was a good boom. I don't know if the mic picked it up. Looks like it possibly might be raining pretty good over straight where I'm facing the camera because I see kind of a, I don't know. Got the golf course housing dogs barking out that way right now. I don't know what's over there, but something's over there obviously because they're barking. I don't know if I really want to know. Probably a mountain lion or a coyote or something. But yeah, they're just barking like crazy. There's something over there. So far, no, not as much lightning as there was. Yeah, the way this is looking, it looks like it might miss us. I don't know. We'll see what happens. That's really low. I think that cloud's actually rotating, to be honest. It looks really low. I don't know if you can see. You can't see nothing on camera, really. It's just pitch black over there. But in my own eyes, I can see something rotating over there. We don't need no tornadoes here, I can tell you that. We already have bad weather. Back in 2022, we had that derecho here. The lightning's definitely died down. Big time. But there is still lightning. But not much. Yep. Right now, as of now, it's just a clip of the storm coming in. It's not even here yet. This is how I am every morning. I always very quiet, and I don't like to talk much. When I just wake up not long ago, I don't like to talk much when I just wake up. It's just the way I am. That's the shelf cloud I'm looking at. So that's where winds are gonna be whenever that gets here. Too bad the mic ain't picking it up, or the camera ain't picking it up, because this looks dark on the camera view right now. But it's there. That shelf cloud is very black too and dark, and it's coming fast, so it's gonna get real windy soon. I'm surprised it ain't severe. I'm glad to have a weather radio. And if any of you who are watching this video right now that doesn't have one, you gotta get one. It's recommended for you to be getting a weather radio because they're lifesavers, and it only runs you about $55 at Ace Hardware. You can get one, and then you just program it, and it's all ready, and you're good to go. You must get one. They're recommended. Because otherwise, how are you going to receive warnings? You can't always rely on your phone. Plus, if your phone does go off for alerts, it won't even go off 20% of the time. So that's why I suggest you to get a NOAA weather radio, which I'm going to link that in video. I'm going to link that in the description below, an Amazon link to get one of those. So if you're interested in getting one, I'm going to link that from Amazon below on my video in the description. I'm going to put the website link where you can buy that radio. Because all of you should get one. They are recommended, highly recommended. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link for that weather radio in the description below from Amazon. Trust me, you gotta get one. So, just remember, when you look at my description, press on the link, because it'll take you to the weather radio. It'll be an Amazon link. So when you tap on it, it'll show you the weather radio that I have. All you gotta do is just buy it. So I recommend you all to get one, because you can't always rely on alerts of your phone. Plus at night, your weather radio is the most likely thing that will wake you up for a weather alert, because it's the loudest thing that beeps. So like I said, I recommend y'all to get one. So I'm gonna link that in the description below. A link so you can purchase one. It's easy, just one time purchase, and then all you gotta do is set up and you're ready to go. It's not that hard to set up either. I got a video of that in my channel too, so I will also link that in the description of my video I took of how to set the radio up, so you know how to do that too. So 2 links are going to be going in the description, so make sure you look at them. But let's continue on with the storm video. That's what we're here for. like I said, you gotta get a weather radio. They're lifesavers. Like I said, I'll link the Amazon link for you to buy that in the description, and I'll link the video of how to set it up too in the description, so you know how to do it. It's really easy. Just follow a couple steps and you're all set. But that's the shelf clouds coming right at me right now, so I bet the wind's really gonna get strong soon. That shelf cloud's moving very fast. Let's go to the house. It's coming. Come on, Marin. Let's go. Let's go home. Come on. It's coming fast, y'all. I don't need to be getting a tree knocked on my head or something. It's moving fast. I saw it. Go get that cat. Yeah, go get it. Go get him, man. Yep, it's moving fast. I saw it. It's time to go in my tent. Come on, Marin. Go. Marin. In the tent. Come on in. Hurry up. Hurry, hurry. Get in here. Fine. Fuck. Sorry about my language, y'all. I'll stop out here for a minute longer till he gets that cell plow gets here, but he's moving fast. I want to get y'all a good shot of it, but I can't believe we're gonna have a warning. And the wind's gonna be picking up pretty quick here, y'all. I seen that shelf cloud. It's moving very fast. This is my kitty. You can't see her because it's, when you look through the camera, it just looks black. The whole screen, but okay, there's the shelf. can see it just a little bit with my I can see it with my eyes. You can't see it through the camera but it's ugly looking, y'all. And it's coming. Come on. I'm gonna get on my deck here. I want to get y'all a good shot of the shelf cloud. I don't want to get stranded in the rain. Okay, there it is. It's almost right above us, so we're gonna go back to the house. Just riding a little bike at 5 a.m. in the morning. My cat's continuing to follow me. Yeah, the lightning isn't as impressive anymore. I want to get another look quick. Come in, Aaron. My cat is freaking hilarious, y'all. Here she comes. Here she comes right at the camera. Okay, the shelf cloud isn't as bad. I'm really surprised though that now I see a whole lot of nothing. I don't even see any lightning. How weird. But I'm still gonna upload this video. But like I said, I'm gonna put those links in the description too. Like the weather radio, so you can get one, and then the video of how to program it. So right over there is where it's raining really hard, so that'll be on our way next. This is what was the shelf cloud right above me. It doesn't seem bad now. It was just weird. The weather around here is weird, y'all. I don't know how to tell you. I feel a raindrop. South cloud's going from right over there where I'm pointing my finger, and it's going along here. So it hasn't even hit yet. So yeah, it's still coming. Got someone's coming here. The south cloud literally extends from right where I'm pointing my finger over there and going along here. So like I said, it hasn't even got over us yet. Moving slower than I thought. The sun is waking up pretty soon too. It will be. It's gonna be coming up. Yeah, I don't see no lightning anymore. That's very strange. I don't know what that's all about. So you're pretty much seeing a whole lot of nothing, and I feel bad, but you'll see something soon. Ooh, I feel a cold breeze. So yeah, the wind's coming right now, so. Got an airplane coming. It's right there, where the lights in the sky moving in there. That's the airplane. It's really hard to see it. That's the plane. That little flash of light in the sky. Nice and early too, I love this. Here comes the wind. There's the airplane. Just a little breeze yet. It's not quite the big wind yet. It's gonna be pretty quick though. Feels good, I tell you that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's something updraft over there. Not sure what that's gonna do, but hope no tornado. We don't need one of those. There goes that airplane. Oh, it's flying away pretty good now. Just weird how these clouds are still right above me, and those ones are moving over there and coming directly towards me. Couple cars on the highway. People are starting to leave now to go to work. Some people start work real early in the morning. No idea how they do it, but they do. There's another one going to work. That might be the true shelf I'm seeing right here now. It's white. That was just a little tiny old shell cloud from one that was still real big earlier. That one just went over us. It was just a little breezy felt. This is the new shell cloud. I can see it with my own eyes. It's white. It's not moving fast. Otherwise, I'd be running back to that tent right now. It's all calm all of a sudden now. Yeah, it's just weird. I don't see no lightning anymore. How weird. I'm so sorry if I'm boring y'all out. I can't believe I don't see lightning anymore. They're really good at this video for ain't no lightning no more. But it is what it is. I mean, it's gonna rain soon, I think. I don't know. We'll see. We'll keep really dealing for just a little bit more. Just for a couple more minutes. You have to see lightning, airplane, and that's about it, and a few cars on video. I don't think that's what y'all wanted to see, but it is what it is. I'm gonna start getting ready to head back. Come on, Marion. Let's go. Back to the house. My cat is freaking hilarious. Likes to run in front of me all the time. I have no idea why, but she's a nice cat. I'm gonna grab my bites here. I wanted y'all to see some more lightning, but there ain't really any left. But I'll still upload this video. It was a little something. You get to see something. But it is what it is. My cat ran right into my tires. But I won't cut any of this. It's just a little bit of something. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll resume a part 2 like when it starts raining or something. We'll see. Probably not though. But anyway, goodbye.